Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 30th, 2025, we are taking a look at Intel, ticker symbol Intel. We'll discuss recent news and events surrounding Intel, and then analyze the chart data to identify potential trading opportunities. First, let's recap some recent news headlines. Reports indicate that Intel is facing significant challenges in its foundry business, and there are concerns about competition from companies like TSMC. Analyst estimates suggest Intel stock is currently undervalued, but its turnaround plans face long-term challenges. First quarter 2025 results revealed a net loss and a disappointing outlook. However, some positive news includes Intel attracting interest for test chips using new manufacturing processes. These mixed signals make the chart data even more important for understanding Intel's current trajectory. Now, let's dive into the technical analysis, starting with the one-day chart. As we can see, the stock has experienced significant volatility over the past year, with a wide 52-week range between roughly $17.67 and $37.16. The most recent price action shows the stock currently trading around $30.47. Zooming out and looking at the past year or two, it seems like a big drop happened in early August 2024. The price fell from the 30s down to the low 20s. There was a decent amount of volume on the way down. That looks like the most recent period of low trading prices. Since then, it recovered up to the mid-20s before sliding down further again. It recently attempted to move back to those mid-$20s levels, but failed to break through, and now we see it sliding lower down to about $20 per share, perhaps heading to another test of its bottom-most price. One notable drop occurred around April 2024, sending the stock down from the mid-40s to the high 30s, followed by a continued decline. Looking at the one-hour chart, we can get a closer view of recent price action. We can see some consolidation and volatility in the past few weeks. We are seeing it try to maintain a tight channel after the recent price increases, and it's currently showing a slight downwards trend, perhaps signaling a further reversal. Now, let's focus on the 15-minute chart for a short-term perspective. Within the last couple days, it's been mostly trading within a tight channel. The bulls and bears are fighting to maintain or break the channel. The most recent candlesticks show slight downwards action, signaling bearish pressure. For a bullish scenario, we need to see a break above the $20.50 resistance, with confirmation on the one-hour chart. This could signal a move towards the $21 mark. However, given the recent earnings report and foundry challenges, a sustained bullish move might be difficult to achieve. Conversely, a bearish scenario would involve a break below the $20 support level, potentially leading to a retest of the $19 level. Given the negative news sentiment, this scenario seems more likely in the short term. In summary, key price levels to watch are $20.50 as resistance and $20 as support. A break above resistance could lead to $21, while a break below support could see a drop to $19. The most likely movement is that it will test the $20 level, but the long-term direction is still uncertain due to fundamental challenges. Keep an eye out for further news regarding Intel's foundry business, collaborations, and earnings guidance, as these factors will significantly influence the stock's future direction. Also keep an eye out for broader market trends that impact INTC stock. Always trade with caution and manage your risk effectively.